Hello, I'm Sakshi and welcome to my channel. Let's paint the snow landscape in watercolor. I'm starting by masking the paper to get crisp edges. At 1/3 part from the bottom, I'm drawing the horizon line and marking the position and height of the tree. I've mentioned the materials used in the description box below. Do check it out. Now I'm making a separate mixture of paint spray and water. I'm mixing a small amount of lemon yellow and large amount of paint spray to make this lovely winter green color to paint winter trees. Take a flat brush and apply water to the sky area evenly without forming water puddles. Now for the first layer, take a paint spray mixture and apply it in downward curved strokes. As we go towards the horizon, blend the winter green color with paint spray. This gives the effect of distant forest in the background. As the color is still wet, I am adding a thicker mixture of paint spray to intensify the color. If the paper is drying quickly, spray a little bit of water using spray bottle to keep it wet. While the paper is still wet, sprinkle the salt to get the texture of stormy snow in the sky. Let this layer air dry thoroughly, and do not use hair dryer, otherwise you won't get this texture. Once the salt is completely dried, take a soft brush and brush it off gently. Now, using a dilute mixture of winter green color, paint some pine trees suggesting forest trees in the background. For the snow-covered trees, I'll start by painting the stem and branches using winter green and paint spray color mixture. This first layer was light, so I added a darker color layer on it. As this layer is still wet, I'm adding drops of water in between the branches. Now let the water disperse for a bit, then start lifting the water and paint with a damp brush. Let it dry and we will get this beautiful effect of snow fallen on the branches. Now take the same color mixture with thick consistency and add small downward and slanting strokes suggesting the leaves and branches peeking underneath the snow. If you are still here and finding this video helpful so far, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Take the dilute mixture of paint spray and add the shadow of tree falling on the snow. And now for the most satisfying part, peeling off the masking tape and revealing the final painting. I will be making more such informative videos, so subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.